everyone. This is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, and today we are going to talk on importance of data analytics and how to kickstart your journey in it. So again, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash. I'm a full-time data analyst and an AI engineer as of now. And we'll be diving on to why companies still use data analytics, why it is important, and how to actually start in this particular career. So let's start with the first section of the video, that is about why is data analytics important. So data analytics has become the backbone of modern decision making in the world, because without data, no one is able to do anything. And all the tracking, all the KPIs, that is key performance indicator, all is being done using data analytics. Now, so first is informed decision making. So by analyzing the data that we have, business can make evident this based on the evidence that data is giving. It can make evidence based decisions and reduce the reliance on intrusion, like what is their thought on it. So actually based on the data, they can actually put out what actually is made for it, like what strategies they can make based on the data that they are fetching. If the number of active users or something like that, or sales is really decreasing, they can do certain particular things about it rather than assuming, okay, this must be happening. So it's not based on intuition, it's based on the real data that is coming. Second one is enhanced operational efficiency. So data analytics can also identify what are the bottlenecks that is having in the particular areas that you are working on. So you can enhance, okay, this particular area is having a lot of costs and it's not able to do a certain amount of thing. So like if it is taking a lot of amount and it's not giving that much output, so that area can be a bottleneck that can be reduced by it. And then improve customer insights. So we can understand customer behavior through personalized experience giving to them and increase their satisfaction and feeling that, okay, the company is actually caring about my interest and giving me things based on my interest. So like that you can analyze. And then it is mitigation. So by predicting the potential risks that can be happening, like for example, if a certain amount of sales are going in a particular direction, we can identify, okay, this can be our risk. If we don't have that much inventory, it can become a risk. So these kind of prediction can also be done from it. And then competitive advantage we'll also get. We can analyze what are the market trends. So from our competitors, we can also be one step ahead from it. So that is also a way how data analytics is really important in nowadays. And now, like, talking on to how to actually start a career in it. So for that, I've made a curated pack of resources that is over more than 2,000 resources. So for it will have a comprehensive list of cheat sheets that will be there, so that you can build a lot of foundational skills that will range from SQL, Python, Excel, AI. All things are in there. So it's not focused on a particular range. It has all range of data and all range of particular technologies, information, cheat sheets in it. And then it has hands-on projects, real-world projects with the course in it, so that you can actually try it out, and handbooks are also there. So you can apply your knowledge more practically, so that you can stand out, okay, I have done something practically. And then, as I told, it has more than 2,000 resources. So you can check it out and buy it. It's right now or just 1,000. It's on the top mid link. It will be in the description. So do buy it first, otherwise the offer will run out and it will go to its original price. So that thing is there. And second, if you're really interested in, taking a guidance from a mentor like you do in a coaching. So for that, I also have a data analytics one-on-one coaching program. That is a 12-week program that I offer. It is only for serious students who actually wants to learn certain. So it will be customized based on your particular background, on what your future goals is. So I'll talk to you. I'll make a tailor-made program based on you, not like Udemy and all that. We'll just buy and I'll give you a generic one that it's like you do, you don't do, I don't even care about it. Not those kind of things. And you can, to whatever session we'll be having, we'll have a recorded, and you can have AI notes for it so that you can refer to it anytime. And it also has exclusive more than 5,000 rupees of worth free stuff in it. That is, I'll be giving you resume reviews like, okay, this resume is optimal for this particular kind of that you are having for a job. So that will be there. Then interview preparation will also be there. Like I'll be teaching you how to do interviews, how to perform in them. And then practical sheets will be there. Like I'll be giving you data set. I'll tell you how to, navigate through them, how to basically understand how to do ED, all kind of things. Then quizzes will be having, assignments will be given to you so that you can also track your progress and your skills that you're learning. And it's designed for students, fresh, or even for people who are transitioning to this data analytics role. So a lot of my students that are there are mostly from outside and people who are trying to transition to this particular role. So the huge chunk of them are there. So last wrapping up, I'll tell you to invest in your education is the first step towards a career. You can't just focus on a YouTube video. Like right now, I can only talk so much in a particular YouTube video. So if you choose one of these, like you will go for the exclusive pack, so you can learn by yourself. But if you need more of a guided thing, like you want me to teach you, be a mentor for you, then that thing will be there. So check out the link in description. You can find both of them links will be there. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share it with people who actually need it. And don't worry, the market is not going down, or data analytics are not in need, or AI will be there. It's nothing like that. Everywhere it is need. It's just some particular people try to, create a certain hype that is dead. It's not dead. Don't worry about it. And subscribe for more such tip. And I'll see you guys in the next one.